Alright, who likes green? This is particularly an awesome green because it really glows. It's almost like the orange one that I have. The green and the orange are very bright when they refract light. And I'm getting ready because I know a couple people asked me about St. Patty's Day, and I did the green top hat. Okay, that's still available at the time of this video. But this one here, and it's a different shape. I try to do things as different as possible. When I go into my shop, I don't know what shape I'm gonna make. I get the acrylic down to a round cylinder. I see which way the waves or the stripes or the whatever, the swirls are moving, and then I end up by making a bead towards the direction of how I think things are. Now this has got some really nice folds in it. It's like really comes out with 4 folds there in the front, and you see the loops going through the side and then the roll over on the back end. It's really nice looking bead. And this one here is measuring in a little over 3/4, and same by the width. Actually, is that, well, yeah. No, it's 13/16, almost 7/8 by 3/4 wide. Yeah, so thanks for stopping by. And don't forget to share this with anybody that you know may be interested, or go over to fiddlebone.com. And while you're here in YouTube, like, share, and subscribe so you're up to date, as well as we are over on Instagram all the time posting new pics and all kinds of crazy stuff going on. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.